welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you how to use this little contraption. This holds gallon size bags or quart size bags for you to fill up if you need an extra set of hands in the kitchen and you need to get stuff filled up so you can do some meal prepping. So I will have these linked down in my description box. They are from Amazon, pretty affordable. I got a 2-pack. So you set it down and you can pull it all the way up. This is how I do it for the gallon. And I'm actually gonna be parsing out this chicken breast. I got a big pack and I only need half of it for a crock pot recipe that I am going to be doing. So I got my gallon size bag right here. I'm gonna open it up, stick it in here. And this works really well if you are trying to marinate your chicken, or you need to like toss it in breadcrumbs and you wanna just have a place to stick everything. So just like that, it is held open for you, and then you can take your chicken, or if you're doing seasonings and stuff to marinate in there, you can toss them in there, and then you can add in your meat, which is so great. So I'm just gonna add in half of these chicken breasts here. So I think, oh, look at that one's huge. 2, well, I guess there was only 4 in here, so I'm gonna use 2 for the recipe and then 2 in here. I probably could have used a quart size bag. But I wanted to show you guys how to use this. So I'm actually gonna probably just toss in some marinade in here and have it ready to throw on the grill tomorrow. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you need to order these, head down to the link in the description box and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.